Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a science class for class 5 on the base of competency-based question from chapter 8, 9 and 11. Our first competency-based question is short question. The tilt of the Earth's axis and its orbit around the Sun causes seasons. What does happen when the northern hemisphere of the Earth tilts towards the Sun? The answer of the question will be when the northern hemisphere tilts to the Sun, it is summer there, while it is winter on the southern hemisphere at that time. Next short question, competency based, is today science and technology depends on each other. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is a technology that uses living things to make new products from human welfare. For example, agriculture biotechnology makes plant with special qualities. Our next competency based short question is what is climate? What are the components of climate? The answer of the question is climate is the average weather pattern for a long period of time. Components of climate are same as the components of weather. They are temperature, humidity, wind, cloud, rain and air pressure. And our next competency based question is broad question. The question is, there is a close relation between weather and climate. What are weather and climate? How do weather and climate alike and different? The answer is weather is the temporal state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place. Climate is the changes of usual weather pattern in a certain area. Climate can also be described as the average weather condition of a certain area for a long time. We can predict daily weather based on the experience and knowledge of climate on our place. Though there is a close relation between climate and weather, they are not same. Weather is the condition of sky and the atmosphere of a place for a short time. On the other hand, climate is the general condition of the weather of a place for many years. That means, students, the main differences between weather and climate is time duration. You have to remember this to write this question answer. Now go to the next question. Our next competency based board question is thunderstorms which is common during summer in our country is known as Kalboishakhi. Explain what is the cause of Kalboishakhi is. What is tidal wave? The cause of Kalboishakhi, thunderstorm which is common during summer in our country is known as nor'easter or Kalboishakhi. Kalboishakhi is caused by surface heating. It is more frequent in late afternoon. The size of Kalboishakhi is from several kilometers to 20 kilometers. Nor'easter or Kalboishakhi is the vertically grown up convective cloud called cumulonimbus that bring thunder and lightning, heavy rain, hail, gusty, squally winds and even tornadoes. This is called Kalboishakhi. That's how Kalboishakhi is caused. Now go to the next question. What is tidal wave? Due to the influence of cyclone, seawater along with sea wave enters into the coastal areas and it is known as tidal wave. Dear students, your today's homework is short question 1, 2 and 3. Our today's topic is finished. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, learn the question answer, do the homework in your homework copy and submit at school premises on Sunday by the help of your parents. And your submission date is 14 June Sunday and you will get return the copy 21st June, that means next Sunday. Obey your parents, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.